Hi, it's Frank from Mann Lake, and we're going to talk about what it takes to get started in beekeeping. Obviously, there's just a few essential items. A lot of the others are optional. One of them that is not optional is a hive kit. Now, we've got two different types. We've got what we call a knockdown kit. This is a KD 100. It comes all unassembled as far as the box and the frames go. You have the outer cover, inner cover, and the bottom board. They are assembled. This is an option where if you want to take your time, enjoy it, as a hobby, paint it up any color you want, save a little money, this would be the option to go with. If you don't have the time or you're not on budgetary constraints, you can go with the KD1 or the HK170. That's fully assembled. So with this one, we got the same outer cover and inner cover, but the difference is our box is already assembled, as are our frames. So you don't have to do any work. This comes ready to put your bees in. So once we've decided on which way we're going to go with our hive kit, there are a few other tools that are essential to beekeeping. One of them is a bee brush. This one is so when you're going to, as a new beekeeper, you're going to examine that frame. A lot of times it's covered with bees. You cannot see the brood. If there's eggs, you gently can brush the bees off and look at the brood, to see what's in there, see that the queen is laying properly. That's a bee brush. There's economy and the better quality ones. The second tool, which is one of your most essential tools, is a hive tool. There are all kinds of hive tools, and it's a personal preference. You come in and look at them or talk to beekeepers that use them and see which they like. The bees will propolize everything in the hive. Once they've got that hive established, you will not be able to take off the inner cover. You will not be able to remove a frame without a hive tool. As I said, it's a personal choice. I like this style. Some of my friends like this style. Whatever you like, it does not matter, but you do need a hive tool. And lastly, the one I talk about most is our smoker. Smokers are a beekeeper's best friend. The smoke from a smoker calms the bees down and it masks their alarm pheromone. So you absolutely need to have a smoker. The smoker you pick is up to you. This is an economy smoker. It'll work fine for you to get started. There's nothing wrong with it. But you can also get the better smoker, our smoke cloud. This is our new and improved one. This is a 10-inch one. I have a 7-inch version of this. We just light this up, easily smoke our bees and work with it. If you want to see how to light a smoker, most people, believe it or not, struggle with lighting their smoker. There are a lot of ways to light it. You can crumple up a little newspaper and put it in there. I prefer to use our quick start gel. We just put a little squirt in there. Take our lighter, and we've got our smoker going. It's that easy. So whichever, it does not matter which one you choose, but definitely you need a smoker. And the last thing that you should get is some sort of protective gear. Part of the enjoyment about keeping bees is that feeling of safety and comfort, not being worried about the bee stinging you. I always encourage people that start out, get a full suit. That way you're not going to get stung in the legs or in anywhere else. Instead of just wearing a jacket, start with a suit, get a pair of gloves, and that way you'll enjoy it. You'll get used to your bees, and eventually you'll feel more comfortable. Maybe you'll just go to a jacket, maybe just a veil. But these are basics, the basics you need. Once you get all of this equipment ready, you want this all set up before you get your bees. You want to have your smoker, tools, everything ready. It's all said and done. All you need to do after that is just add the bees.